Today we have the 2015 Ford Kuga. This vehicle has done just under 82,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access CD, radio, information, and if we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.